friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a recipe of beef gravy that is really delicious with its rich traditional taste. So let's see how it's prepared. So let's check out the ingredients needed for this delicious beef gravy. So let's pressure cook beef for just 4 whistles by adding 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of salt and half tablespoon of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let's mix it well. We are gonna pressure cook it for just 4 whistles. Means the beef is just halfway cooked. Just add half a cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and keep it on flame. Take another pan. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Coconut oil is the best choice for its traditional taste. Add half a cup of coconut flakes. Saute it till golden brown. Now add some curry leaves. Saute it. Now add 2 large onions, finely chopped. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Be careful not to add more salt because we have already added salt to beef. Saute till the onions turns golden brown. Add 2 large chopped tomatoes. Saute it well. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Now add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder. Be sure not to add more chili powder because we already added half tablespoon of red chili powder to cook beef. Now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Saute really well until the raw smell of spices has gone. Now add cooked beef along with its water to masala. Mix it well with the gravy. We are preparing in this method because this will enhance the rich taste of beef gravy. cups of water to cook the beef really well. Now close the lid and cook the beef till it's completely cooked. Stir in between to make sure that the gravy is not sticking at bottom. Now our gravy had thickened. Also, the beef is now completely cooked. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Also some curry leaves. Adding pepper powder and curry leaves at the end will enhance the taste of the gravy. Now our gravy is ready with its curd consistency along with its rich traditional taste. So it's ready to serve. This gravy will surely goes with rotis or with rice. So please try this. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe. Thank you.